Hello, Nuggets. Today I am doing a voice reveal because, well, I don't know. I feel like a voice reveal would be a good idea for a video, so you guys could get to know me a little better. But anyways, now I'm definitely working on an intro so I can give you guys something to look at before my videos. So yeah. I'm just going to be playing Tower of Heck for now. We are a family-friendly channel, so we do not say those words. I'm currently trying to do this because, I kind of suck at this game. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's getting too stressful. Okay. And I hate bunny hop too, it's so annoying. But it's kind of... You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. No! No! Oh my gosh. So I'm going to be sharing something that has happened. So, it's been like a day since I posted, and this morning when I went on my YouTube channel, I saw that I only had 1 subscriber. I was like, oh, people probably unsubscribed. But then I remembered that I had like 5 subscribers, so I went to go talk to Miss Nobody, my friend, and she told me that the same thing happened to her and that might have been like an issue or something. So hopefully that can like get fixed, so then I can see all my nuggets again. But yeah, that was just a little introduction of what's going on. So now I'm going to be introducing myself kind of. So I'm gonna be telling you guys a little bit about me. So first of all, my two favorite colors are pink and yellow. And oh my gosh, I just fell. But I do ice skating. And it's pretty fun. No, I've been ice skating ever since I could remember. I've always wanted a YouTube channel, but I've never really had the guts or time to do it. But now during this pandemic, it's given me a lot of time to even play Roblox. You know, I would always focus on my studies. Oh my gosh. But yeah. I finally decided to make one, see how it went, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. It's a lot of fun. Another thing. I am a big foodie. I love chicken nuggets. That is why I call you guys my chicken nuggets, because it's something I love. And you know, you guys are golden and beautiful and special, so that's why I call you my golden nuggets, but for short, my nuggets. Anyways, oh my goodness, I keep on falling there, no! Yeah, I have a pretty much I have like a high-pitched voice, and I'm sorry, because, I don't know, not like all my friends, most of them have a deep voice. I'm not that type. I'm also filled with excitement and joy a lot of the time. That's just the way I am, honestly. And I swear, I'm about to rage right now. Well, congratulations to the people who made it to the top. And I just died. Oh my gosh. I promise I'm better at obbies. I'm just like, I don't know. I've been, like, my favorite type of game to play on Roblox is obbies. I've been doing it. I have had multiple accounts throughout the years on Roblox, so, you know, this account might not be as new as, old as you guys may think, but it is totally fine with me because I have, oh my gosh, I've expanded a lot on this channel, this account, sorry, but yeah. Also, I post videos daily, like about like 3 to 5 videos a day, because, I don't know, it's just, when I have nothing to do after homework, school, I really just, I have nothing to do, so I end up playing Roblox and recording for you guys. Yes, I am new to, YouTube, as I explained, I never really had the time to do it, but now I do. Well guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. That was a little bit of me. Bye!